Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veera Ravi. My channel is How to Mentor. Here, as part of this video, we are going to see how to install Zookeeper. The installation of the Zookeeper is very simple. The only thing is we need to remember the set of 3 commands and we need to remember some configurations. Right? Just log into your Ubuntu machine. Log into Ubuntu machine. You can remove this. Let me open some text pad. Okay, the very simple steps, guys. So there are multiple ways to install a Zookeeper, and the first one is you can go to as similar as how we did for other other installations. Go to website, Apache Zookeeper website, download tarwal, extract it. Sorry, extract it. After extracting, so wherever you want in the required location will be extracted. Set the class path, and there is something called zoo configure zoo.cfg file. So we need to set 3 configurations here because anyway we are using sudo mode. If it is a multi-node mode, we have to do all server related things. So anyway, we are not going to do a multi-node cluster here. As of now, we are seeing only single node. So we'll be doing that. This is the method one. There is an alternative method where the Zookeeper package is already available in Ubuntu. Okay, where we can directly download from your sudo package itself. Look at, guys, here, say sudo apt I can get install and say chu, press tab to press tab twice. It's already, it will show you. So you can just go ahead and download this and you can start configuring it and doing it. So as we discussed in the first method, we'll just go to uh, Zookeeper site and we'll download it and we will set the class path. Zookeeper download for Ubuntu. Okay, we'll uh, just go to installation, download. Go to download, stable release. Actually, you can directly go to archive, the direct mirror you can go to. You don't need to go through this much, this long. You can directly go through this. You can choose any one of the website from this mirror. Okay, so you can select this. You can download the latest version of Zookeeper. You can see any of the latest version, but I'd like to go for this and Tarbal and save it. So hardly takes, it's very less, small file, 17 MB file. It's easily quickly downloads. This is one way of downloading. You can also try in archive apache dot dist distributions. You can also look at here. You can search for it. You can search for it. Go to Zookeeper. You can take whatever the version we want to download, 3.4.6 or 3.4.7, whatever the version you like. You can download it. Here you can download the same. Both are same. Okay, you can download it. So now we have downloaded it. We have downloaded it into our machine. So as you know that we'll be keeping all softwares in our specific location. So to avoid the confusion later, we're keeping in a specific location here. So I'm pasting it here. Okay, this is the other method I'm showing you, or you can directly do sudo apt-get install Zookeeper, so where you can do that as well. So let's see, anyway we are trying this method. We will execute this method from here. So what you need to do here, we need to extract it. So first step is completed. So we have done with the first step. And the second step is we need to extract in a desired location. So what is our desired location? Local Hadoop env. So this is my desired location. Here only I have installed all the softwares. Now I'm going to install in this, right? So let's go to terminal. So guys, so what we can do, as I said before, you can take this tarball, right click, extract here, this kind of things you can do. But I'm not going to show that. Why? Because it is a pretty simple one. We need to know the commands to untar it. Tar, okay, we need to go to specified location, cd user local softwares. Okay, you can press ll, it will show all the things. You can say tar -xvf ju, and this is Zookeeper, and specified location, which location I want. So use a local Hadoop. This is the local I want. This is the location I want to untar it. Press it, it will be untarred. So it is untarred. You can go ahead and look at in your local Hadoop env. Here you have a Zookeeper, and in this you have binary files, you have contributions, documents, lib, source, and all there. But we'll be doing here conf, the conf. Now anyway we'll go by step. So we have completed this and we'll set the class path. So go to, so to setting the class path, what is the file we need to modify? We need to modify the file, which is the bash rc file. Go to home directory by pressing cd and enter. You will be in home directory. What is your home directory? /home and /park. So this is the location where your bash rc file will be available. So in this file I'm going to modify. To modify this, you can use the vi editor, vim editor, nano editor, whatever the editor you are comfortable. But here I'm going to show you gedit. Okay, gedit bash rc, the my file has been opened here. Now here what I'm going to do, so Zookeeper home, I'm going to set the Zookeeper home and path. So export Zookeeper underscore home, and where my Zookeeper is installed, in this location. So I'll just say slash and control L. So as soon as you select that, control L, so select all, copy and paste it here, and export path equals $path colon dollar Zookeeper slash bin. So what this dollar is representing for variables, the above we have declared one variable, right? The variable will be declared with the your dollar in Linux environment. Save this file, close it, go to terminal. So once you edit the bash rc, what we need to do, either you need to close terminal and reopen, or you need to do source dot bash rc. You no need to type every time source dot bash rc. You can also do that dot space dot space bash rc. You can also do this. So you can also do this. So it can be loaded, right? Now, so we have downloaded, the first step is over, second step is over, and third step also completed. So let's see the fourth step. So the fourth step, what we are going to do here, we are going to configure the ju.conf file. So as you seen in the configuration file, you don't have a ju.conf file. What we need to do, to copy the existing one and paste it here and just rename it. Ju.conf, and open the file in gedit. And here there are so many parameters are there. The first parameter is tick time. What is the tick time? It says that the number of ticks, like number of heartbeats, right? For initial your client, like, so let's say multiple, see what is Zookeeper is a coordinate service. It will be coordinating with the multiple machines. And what is the interval? I can check the heartbeat I'll be receiving, or I need to check whether it's down or not. This is the tick time is the one. Okay, and other configuration is your data dir. By default it will be in this location. So if you want, you can go ahead and change this location, or for time being you can keep it in the same location. But I like to keep it in a this location. So because I'm keeping everything in a my Hadoop env, but so it's recommended is you keep it in a Hadoop env, saying that you create one directory and you specify that saying that Jew underscore data. I'm giving Jew underscore data for my reference, and you select the data, this path. You select the path and set this path is because why I'm not setting in the temporary, because the temp folder will be keep removing automatically by our daemon in the Linux environment. So that's why we never keep anything in the temporary directory. The temporary directory will be removed automatically. And the client port, what is the mission will be hearing me, what is the mission will be reporting, I'll be hearing, I'll be monitoring, or I'll be monitoring the guy, right? That client port here, the default port is 2121. So we're happy with the 2121, 2181. We will continue with that. Just save it. If it is a multi-node environment, you have to set the server ports and equal to Ju dot server 1 dot in that port number. You have to mention all the server ports in this, right? Anyway, we are not going to do that because we have the sudo distribution mode. So close this, then we have done. So the next step is we need to start the service. So how to start the service? So already we have set it the path there. So why can't we make use of directly from here? You can start it. So if you didn't set the class path, what you need to do, you have to go to your Zookeeper home bin directory. From here, you have to type, you have to type, you have to type this. You have to type like this. So anyway, we already set the class path in the bash rc. We're not recommending to do this one. Okay. So let's say cd, I want to do it from here. Then zk Zookeeper server dot sh and start. Press enter. So you will be seeing this, the server is started, and the server is started. You can see this, your Zookeeper is started, and there is something called um, jk cli dot sh. Now this is also your client also started. Now what we will do, we will open one more tab or one more terminal. Here telnet localhost and give 2181 is our port number. If you remember in our configurations, this is the port number. Let's try this. So trying to is connecting and connected to localhost is already connected. So you can type anything here, you'll be hearing this. So it is connected. Connection closed. And it should be it should be there here. So what we can do, let's start this and check. You can check whether it is running or not. Sudo netstat. You can use like hyphen n llpt and you can grep it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to grep whether the service is running or not to see. So you say grep, what we are going to grep, this 2181 port where it is running, I'm going to grep it. Okay, see here, it is listening. It is listening, this port is listening, right? So our setup is successfully completed. So we have set up the Zookeeper successfully. So if you want to do another way, so the command is other way you want to install. If you don't have UI, you don't have download and all. What you can do sudo apt-get. First, you need to do update the source list every time, and sudo apt-get install Zookeeper. You need to execute this, and rest of the steps are same. Okay, so you don't need to extract, you need to you can set the class path, you don't need to set the class path by, because it is we are installing using Linux what to say apt-get. By default it can recognize automatically, so you don't need to explicitly set the class path for it, but you need to change the configuration. Thanks for watching, have a great time.